Nissan Xterra. Changing spark plug, cleaning intake. See the throttle. We'll clean it now. This is the old one. And this is the new.
هذا هنا موجود هذه السيارة أنا شغل هذا زبون جدا تسويق